Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Wall Street close tech rout takes Samp P and Dow into a tailspin. http ntvforex.com news ID 83EB305 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. Dow Jones Industrial Average NBSP lost NBSP 811.33 points, or 2.79%, S&P 500 dropped 125.96 points, or 3.52%, to 3,454.88. Nasdaq Composite fell 598.34 points, or 4.96%, to 11,458.10. NBSP a rout in U.S. equities, led by overheated tech stocks, dominated Wall Street as the big tech market darlings suffered sharp declines. Consequently, NBSP, the tech-laden Nasdaq NBSP and the S&P 500 SPX had their worst days since June 11, and the Dow DJI, since June 26. Unofficially, the Dow Jones Industrial Average NBSP lost NBSP 811.33 points, or 2.79%, to 28,289.17. The S&P 500 dropped 125.96 points, or 3.52%, to 3,454.88, and the Nasdaq Composite fell 598.34 points, or 4.96%, to 11,458.10. NBSP Thursday's breakdown has NBSP signaled NBSP a significant trend reversal in a severely extended and overbought market. NBSP S&P 500 movers Nvidia Corp NVDA Nasdaq falls sharply from record highs. Technology shares, which registered impressive gains during the latest risk rally, are among the worst performers on Thursday. At one stage, Nvidia Corp NVDA Nasdaq shares slumped by nearly 9% at $523.37. Corvo Inc. QRVO Nasdaq, NBSP Juniper Networks Inc. JNPR NYSE, NBSP Skyworks Solutions Inc. SWKS Nasdaq, NBSP Zebra Technologies Corp ZBRA Nasdaq and NBSP Advanced Micro Devices Inc. AMD Nasdaq shares are down between 8.9% and 7.9%. U.S. data mixed ahead of NFP. Initial claims were fewer than expected and the August ISM non-manufacturing index fell back in July. Initial claims were fewer than expected. NBSP led by a sharp drop in new orders 56.8 vs 67.7, while business activity fell to 62.4 vs 67.2. Employment improved but remains below 50, indicating jobs in the non-manufacturing sector are still being lost, albeit at a slower pace. The prices index firmed to 64.1. Meanwhile, initial claims were fewer than expected and continuing claims fell last week, albeit with methodology changes, providing evidence of an ongoing improvement in the U.S. labor market. Markets are now getting set ahead of the August non-farm payroll data, which is due today, Friday. The Reuters poll is calling for 1.4 million jobs to have been created and a 9.8% unemployment rate. NBSP S&P 500 levels. S&P 500 price analysis. The S&P 500 crashes 2.5% and drops below 3,500. SP 500 overview today. Last price 3,457.5 today. Daily change 110.25 today. Daily change percent 3.09 today. Daily open 3,567.75. NBSP trends daily. SMA 20 3,400 120.99 daily. SMA 50 3,285.27 daily. SMA 100 3,130.18 daily. SMA 200 3,089.76 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 3,570.5. Previous daily low 3,537.5. Previous weekly high 3,508.5. Previous weekly low 3,411.75. Previous monthly high 3,522.75. Previous monthly low 3,264.25 daily. Fibonacci 38.2% 3557.89 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 3550.11 daily pivot point S1 3546.67 daily pivot point S2 3525.58 daily pivot point S3 3513.67 daily pivot point R1 3579.67 daily pivot point R2 3591.58 daily pivot point R3 3612.67 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.